Today, we're going to study about the product rule of differentiation. Let's have an example. We have y is equals to x to the fourth power multiplied by 3x squared minus 2. First is we have to identify for the first function or the f of x, which is equals to x to the fourth power. This is our f of x. And of course, we have also to identify for our second function, which is also equals to g of x equals to 3x squared minus 2. And thus our g of x here is this given functions. After we have identified our first and second functions, wherein that is, this is your f of x and this is your g of x, we have now to apply for the formula. And it is equivalent to the first function, our first function, just copy, to find for the first derivative, then multiplied by the derivative of the second function. So we're going to find out for the derivative of 3x squared minus 2. If we are going to find for the derivative of this given functions, we just simply multiply the exponent to the base, that is equals to 2 times 3, that is equals to 6. And as our rule, we have always to subtract 1 for our exponent. So, ang matitira na lamang po dyan is x raised to the first power. And therefore, it is understood that we have here raised to the first power. Then we all know also that the derivative of the constant is always equals to 0. Kaya hindi na po siya kasama doon sa atin pong derived form. Then plus, that is equivalent to the first function. We just copy the first function. And we have also to find for the derivative of, or the second function rather, and multiplied by the derivative of our first function. So we have to multiply this. Remember that we have 1 here. That is equals to 4 times 1. We have 4 times 1. That is equals to 4. We have 4. And if we have to subtract 1 here, so that is equals to 4 minus 1. That is equals to 3. So after we have substituted the given expressions for the first and the second functions, we have now to simplify in order for us to find for the first derivative of the given function. We just multiply, we have here 1. 1 times 6, that is equals to 6. Then we have x times x, that is equals to x. We have here 1. We have 4 plus 1, that is equals to 5. Then just copy the operation. And for the next, we have 4 times 3, that is equals to 12. Then x times x, that is equals to x. We have 2 plus 3, that is equals to 5. Then we have to copy the operation, that is subtracted by 2. We have to multiply 4x cubed times negative 2, that is equals to negative 8x cubed. So that is our partial answer. Since we have two common terms having an exponent of 5, we have here, and the other one, we have x to the fifth power. We have to combine the terms or the whole number. We have to add 6 plus 12, that is equals to 18. Then we have to copy the variable including po yung atin pong exponent, that is equals to x to the fifth power. Then since wala namang ibang number, we just drop down 8x to the third power, or 8x cubed to the third power. That is our final answer. So this is the derivative of our problem, which is equivalent to y is equals to x to the fourth power multiplied by 3x squared minus